Okay, here's the morning brief for Thursday, the 4th of June 2026. Getting to the charts very late today as I've been away all day. So really it's a brief for London, which is now 7:48 in the morning London time. At the week so far, we are still inside the previous week's range. And yesterday closed below Monday's low. So Monday set an outside range, Tuesday was inside, Wednesday has closed below that range. And looking like today, it's already swept low and moving up. So I'll drop down now to the 5-minute chart to see if there are any setups, as this is the first time I'm looking at price for today. Expand that out. A quick flick back through yesterday where I got run over. On some the volume profile, the hourly, and some fire lines. So yesterday there was a very nice trade which I missed, coming out of the first hour, which swept the previous hour's high, closed below 2 key levels, and we had this nice key bar down straight off the first 5 minutes to sell into basically this lower value fire line, hello cat, and the bottom lower level, and that was the trade. Then I found this hourly close below and tried to take multiple setups here and got run through, as in price moved all the way back up to the inflection point, took out the high of the day and dropped back down again, went sideways for a while until starting to get into the afternoon my time, and kept on coming down. And that was basically the session. Another move through London, taking out Monday's low, and we had that close below Monday's low. Coming into today, which has already been trading, we've had an immediate sweep of the previous day's low. So I'll just start putting in. I don't need this low here anymore, so we can set that. It's Wednesday's low. Put in the fixed profile zone here. Put in the point of control, switch that off now. Right, so what have we happened so far? Immediately the first hour has swept the previous day's low and closed above the point of control and the lower value fire line. So there's a trade, we can take this out now. There was a trade from here, buying not much of a pullback into the level, but we had multiple key bar ups to trade up into the value area high and up to the inflection point. So that was a nice trade. We had a close above the inflection point with a sweep of the previous hourly low. Level trade here. If you could trade back up to the high of the day, and eventually prices made it all the way up to the upper value line, and that's where we're sitting at the moment. So we're sitting between the upper value fire line, the IP. We're starting to get under the DVL. We've had no sweep of this high here, so this is inside, and this is also inside this range, so I'll mark that off. And just looking now to see if price closes back below this inflection point here, to perhaps target a retest of the value area high or this low of line and the point of control, which is broken and hasn't been retested yet. The longs, we would need to close above the upper value to take on a trade up to the first line.